Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this session we will try to solve one tricky question related to charge. Okay, so let us try to refer to this particular question. So when 10 power 14 electrons are removed from a neutral metal, okay, neutral metal sphere, that means, so this is very important for you to highlight now. So this 10 power 14 electrons, this is data which you have to remember, are removed. This is very important. Okay, so when this removed will come into picture, you will have to understand that charges are removed. Which charge is removed? Electron is removed. So this, when it will be helpful, I will tell you at the end of this session. Okay, so just note it. This is important. 10 power 14 is important because this is a value how many electrons are removed. And removed, this is important, I will tell you at the end of this session. From a neutral metal sphere means this is a sphere. Let us, sorry, okay, so this is a sphere, not exactly. So this is, suppose say this is sphere now. So from this particular sphere, some 10 power 14 electrons are removed. Okay, 10 power 14 electrons are removed from this particular sphere. Neutral metal sphere it is a metal sphere basically. So the charge on the sphere becomes, means, what is the question is, there is one metallic sphere like this. If 10 power 14 electrons are removed from this particular metallic sphere, then the charge on the sphere, if some see, one sphere is having, then definitely there will be charges, correct, positive charges and negative charges, which are electrons. So if some electrons are removed, then what is the charge on the sphere? That is a question. So in this, I hope the question is very clear now. So you have to solve this with the help of a very important formula. Q equals to N into E. Okay, Q equals to Ne. So what is this Q? Q is nothing but the charge, or total charge we can say. Q equals to N. N means what? Number of charges. Okay, E is what? E is nothing but the value of one electron. Okay, so just substitute it. N is nothing but number of charges, as I told you. Number of charges means 10 power 14. See, this is, Q is nothing but total charge which we have to calculate on the sphere. Okay, so E is nothing but 1.6 into, so this is into sign, 1.6 into uh, 10 power minus 19, 10 power minus 19. So if you solve this, so 10 power 14, 10 power minus 19, so we will get at 16 microcoulombs. Micro means 10 raised to minus 6. So micro means 10 raised to minus 6. So total charge on this particular sphere after removal of 10 power 14 electrons is 16 microcoulombs. 16 into 10 raised to minus 6 coulombs. So in this way you have to find the total charge. Now a question arises, as I told you in the beginning of this session, what is this removed? How we have to understand this particular removed? So this we have to understand as removed means some electrons are removed, means that sphere will have negative charge more or positive charge more. See, there are this one particular thing also counts a very important thing here. So neutral, they are telling, neutral means total of positive charges are also equal to the total of negative charges. So now if I am removing the negative charges, that is electrons, then definitely if I remove, see, positive charges are equal to number of negative charges. So if I remove negative charges, then which will be more? Positive charges will be more. So hence we are saying it as positive. Hence we are, it is plus 16 microcoulombs. Okay. In this way you have to solve the So total charge after removal of 10 power 14 electrons is 16 plus 16 microcoulombs. Okay. Okay, so this 16 is into 10 power plus 16 into 10 raised to minus 6 coulombs. So in this way you have to solve this. So I hope this is very clear. Okay, thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates or notifications related to physics, electronics and communication, and even generic sessions also. I will try to cover it. Okay, please subscribe, it will be definitely helpful, and share, which motivates me to post some more sessions like this. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you. Take care. Bye.